Good afternoon, Zimbabwe. Listening to Emerson Mnangagwa Simabo Chilomona, you can only realize there comes a time when silence becomes betrayal. Zimbabwe stands at that threshold, torn by years of struggle, but unbroken in spirit. Our nation, bruised yet breathing, is learning a truth that can never again be unlearned. That we, the people, are not pawns in any game of power. We are human beings, heirs to a sacred land, born to live with dignity, freedom, and the full measure of our humanity. Zaramira mashoko zera anyoga pangwa ino awanakirina mjati achitaura achikomenda kumashoko akataurwa naMabo Chinomona achionekwa kuti Mabo Chinomona was attacking all those people who are attacking Zvigananda panguva ine vachiti those guys are corrupt. Achina avasi corrupt, those guys were supported by the party. Now vane mari dzavo vakulibulwa Zvigananda. Sarapita mashoko anganzi a direct jab kuna VP Constantino Chiwenga noti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Anoendera mberi kirira mujati anyora achiti we are a people who have known the chains of fear, the weight of lies, and the betrayal of promises made in our name. Yet even in the darkness, a fire still burns, the stubborn flame of a people who refuse to die quietly. The time has come to stand upright again, to reclaim what is ours by birthright: the flag, the land, the constitution, and the dignity of our collective soul. Our revolution is not one of violence, but of awakening. It is a revolt of conscience, of citizens. We will no longer bow to greedy, corruption, or dissent. It is the uprising of thought, of courage, of unyielding faith in the destiny of a free Zimbabwe. We march not in fear, but in defiance of fear. We rise not for vigilance, but for justice. Let every valley of despair be filled with the voice of a new generation, unafraid, unbought, unbroken. Let every village and township echo with one message, that Zimbabweans belong to the people, not to those who exploit here. We are the keepers of the dream, the defenders of the flag, the guardians of tomorrow. The hour of reclamation is now. Though the road ahead may appear to be long, we shall walk it together until freedom ceases to be a slogan and becomes the everyday breath of every Zimbabwean. We shall send the unethical likes of Mabo Chinomona and those they pedo as saviors to the cleaners. Ndo mashoko ari kuatakwa nawo Mabo Chinomona panguva ino achiti aiwa Zimbabwe aiwa ndeyedu, hatifaniri kuva evicted from our own land nezvigananda. Panguva ino achikontradicta kuti mashoko ari kutaurwa nezvigananda ava naMabo Chinomona. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Nakume section medu zafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.